Anti-Corruption Bureau in Karnataka on Wednesday conducted massive searches across the state. Officials seized gold ornaments, cash, and immovable assets, such as houses and plots worth crores of rupees owned by government officials. The searches were conducted at 60 places with respect to disproportionate assets cases registered against 15 officers by a team of 8 SPs, 100 officers, and 300 staff, said the ACB. ACB officials have registered cases against all 15 officials under the Prevention of Corruption charges. While the raids have continued, an ACB official said that they have been able to seize Rs 3.5 crore worth gold ornaments and Rs 15 lakh cash in T.S. Rudreshappa, Joint Director of Agriculture Department, Gadak's residences. However, the raids are yet to be concluded.